The raindrops dance on the window pane, soft and slow like a sweet refrain. The world outside in a hazy blur, but here inside it's just me and her. Let the rain fall, let the rhythm play. The warmth of your smile keeps the cold away. Under the covers we find our peace, cozy and close where our hearts meet. The streets are wet but the fires aglow. Your laugh lights up the room, you know. Every thunder claps a beat we ride. As the rain keeps falling, we stay inside. Let the rain fall, let the rhythm play. The warmth of your smile keeps the cold away.